Qayyum, and in this video we will gonna learn about that how to use regular expressions in JavaScript. So first of all, we'll create a variable for this example. Okay, so let's say let name is the variable. Okay, uh, let's say something. Okay, something is equal to we are writing here visit India now. Okay, so this is what we are taking as variable and giving value to it. Okay, so now if you want to search something, let's say search pattern. Okay, search pattern. Okay, so there here we need to take something then followed by a search method, and in that we need to express or mention what we want to search. Okay, so here we want to search for I. Okay, done. So we are searching visit in something, that's why we are taking search pattern. Let me okay, search pattern, and we assign it to this method. So search method will do a search in something for visit. Okay, so in this way we can get it. So now let's try to get the output using the console.log. Okay, so let here we will take the final result. Okay, done. So we can see that we are getting the index. Okay, we are getting the index here. Again, if you want to change it, you can change it. So instead of visit, we want to take India. Okay, done. Again get done. So you can see that we are getting index. So India is at index of 6. So India is 6th position in this string. Okay, so India is at 6th position in this string. So that's why it's giving us an output in the form of indexes. Okay, so this is how we can use regular expression in this. Also there is one another method which is let's say search match. Okay, done. Then here in the something, then match. Okay, match. So match would do the same thing, like let's say India, and get the console output from it. Search. Okay, so you can see that India is at 6th index. Okay, and we have given an input of visit India now. Okay, so this is how it will be different than the search method. So we can use match and search for regular expression in JavaScript. Okay, so in this way we can use it. And if you want to say replace something, okay, if you want to replace something, replace word, so we will do it. Let replace and then do something, then replace. So there are two methods. Okay, first one is replace and second one is replace all. So the replace would do the first occurrence in the string, it will gonna replace by the replace method. And if you use replace all, so it will gonna replace all the occurrences in the string. So if we add any uh, multi-string there, so we can use replace all instead of replace. So here we want to replace now with the tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Then console dot log. Okay, and then replace. So you can see here we have replaced now with the tomorrow. So previously we are having a string which is visit India now, and now we have changed the now with the tomorrow word. So in this way we can use replace and replace all also. So let's try with the replace all. Okay, so let something is equal to visit now. Okay, so okay, again let me clear it. We want let something equal. So here we want to India is country. Okay, India is in Asia. Okay, India has India have 1.35 billion population. Okay, so this is the multi string. So here we can see that we have taken India almost three times. Okay, so I just took this example for explaining you that how we can use replace all method. Okay, replace all method, how we can use replace all method. So here let's see something. Then here replace all, and now here we want to replace India with capital India. Okay, with the capital India we want to replace India with the capital letter. Okay, so done. Now let's see that whether it has been taken place or not. All. So you can see that we have replaced uh, India with the capital with the uppercase. Okay, so you can see that previously it is in this form and now it has been in uppercase. Okay, so in this way we can use replace all.